Yeah, YouTube, today we'll bring you a unboxing of Corsair Vengeance memory modules. It's a 16 gig kit, compatible with Sandy Bridge and Extreme processors, XMP certified for quad channel. Just information on the back. These are designed for quad channel. Vengeance is a high performance memory line. Are built with the high quality DRAM chips, specifically selected for high end performance potential, and aluminum heat sinks for heat spreading, really good, and good for aggressive look for your gaming system as well, and at a very good low price. I paid about $190 for this kit, Australian. Yes, Australian. I live in Australia. And it'd be good for your system build, because there is other things out there that are really expensive. And yeah, let's get open. I'll put my scissors. There they are. Big scissors. Corsair, good. Oh, there's a little thing here. Little flap. That's pretty cool. Look at that. There's the memory modules and everything inside. I'm sorry about the lighting quality. I need to get myself a lamp. And inside there's the 4 memory modules. Oh, the speeds of these memory modules is tested speed at 1866 and SPD speed is 133. And then DDR3 quad channel Vengeance, no fan, performance XPS 16 gig kit, and lifetime warranty. They come at $165, but then you put postage and shit on top of that, which and parcel protection is now as well. So you get 4 of these bad boys, and yeah, really good. They look nice. Once I get my new board, I can't put them in this board because it doesn't support that speed. Hopefully I get a new graphics card one day. I'm myself for 2 TB now in my system. Yeah, not much. I just need some space. I was running out. And my cat down here is scratching me to pieces. Come here. Say hello to YouTube. Meow. Birds. Here. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Careful. It's expensive. Let me go down there and play with it. Anyway, thanks for checking out my unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance 16 gig kit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More unboxings coming soon. Thank you for watching.